Hey guys, we're out in the shop today and we're working on Colorado. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's sitting out there. And I got the tailgate off it, and that's because I got the tailgate in here. So guys, here I am. I'm just pulling the clips off of the rods that go out to the little latches at each side of the tailgate, and they're pretty easy to come off. Just pop them out with a screwdriver. Just be careful not to put too much pressure on them, because they can break if they're anywhere's a little bit brittle. But these ones were in pretty good shape, so it wasn't too bad. And you can see that one 10 mil bolt there on one side. That's the side that broke. So the bolt and the nut that would normally be in the tailgate handle part are still on there. So that's it. They're just couple of 10 mil bolts, and it pops right out. So I'm gonna have to get my vice grips here in a second and hold the nut on the other side of that with the vice grips to get it out, but it came out no problem, so it was no big deal. Sometimes they're really corroded and rusted in there. Sometimes you may have to use a little bit of heat to get them out. I had to do that on a door handle one time. I had to put a little tiny bit of heat on it for a little bit just to get it to loosen up, but this one wasn't bad. I just put my vice grips on it there on the other side, and then I took my 3/8 driver with a 10 mil socket, and it came right out, no problem. Yeah, pretty simple. And while I had this all apart too, I made sure I sprayed lots of rust checking around there, and but yeah, you can see that that's the nut there. It goes in that hole right there. So for the time being, until I had to order a new one, but what I ended up doing, I just got some I had a little bit of JB Weld, and I just put it back in there for now, and until I got my new one, my new part come in. So yeah, that was it. And we're gonna put this on. I just painted this. The reason I did is the handles on my truck are white, and I want this to be white too. Yeah, you can't really see them from here, but they're white, trust me. So I decided to paint that. No big deal. I just used my some of my this is just windshield washer fluid. That's all that is. So I wiped it all down, and I painted it with not that. Painted it with this. This is what I used to paint it, and it came out pretty good. Shiny, as you can see. Shiny enough for me anyway. So yeah, we're gonna stick that on in that hole now. I took the other one out, as you saw earlier, and I put these new these here rods. These are the latches for the tailgate. These come off of I believe it was an 05 or an 06 Colorado that we had bought, and it was hit on the back end, so we had to get a new tailgate for it. And
So before we junked the tailgate, I pulled these latching mechanisms out along with the cables, and I also pulled these out off the old tailgate. So yeah, so I just figured I had them. They were in a lot better shape, especially the cables. These cables are in way better shape than, as you can see, these ones here are starting to fray. So yeah, they're looking pretty bad. So anyway, yeah, I thought I'd swap them out. So what we got to do next is put this lock on that latch or that handle, because the lock does still work very well. So I'll probably just clean that up a little bit, and we'll put it on that tailgate handle. Okay, so we're going to clean this up a little bit. Not much, just wipe the grease off the outside of it more than anything. There you go. Give it a little clean, nothing too major. So this here, I'm gonna put some across the folder. So this here sits in just like that. And this little short bolt is in right there. That's it. And this here, I'm not going to hook this up yet because I want to torque that bolt a little more, but that's it. It's in, as you can see. That'll lock up on there afterwards. So now we can set this thing into the tailgate. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this way. Oh, I got to put the gasket on this. There's the gasket right here. Almost forgot. This is the gasket. This goes around the. So this just goes on this way. Just like that. Like that. Okay. Just like that. That's it. Paint's still a little bit soft. There you go. Gasket is on. So this just goes in. it up. Oh yeah, this is it. Put that there. And that's it. Put this one in here. This one in here. Now, these rods lock in like that. This rod locks in here like that. There's one right here. This goes in like this. This locks in there like that. There we go. And I'll show you that the lock does work. As you can see, the lock works. So, nothing now. That's it. And that's it. It's all on there. Nice and tight. And we're good to go. So before I close this up, doesn't hurt, a little bit of rust check lube, keep stuff from rusting.
So guys, that's basically it. How to replace your tailgate handle on a 2011 Chevy Colorado. This applies from 2004 to 2012. They're all the same type of truck and tailgate. Anyway, another thing I will say too is after I got this all together and put it on the truck, one of the latches wasn't opening all the way. And it was because the rod where it connects onto the tailgate handle was not bent at a 90-degree angle properly. so it wasn't pulling the rod enough and it wasn't opening it enough. So I had to pry the tailgate a little bit to get it open, and I did get it fixed. But anyway, just something I thought I'd mention. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and all that good stuff. Everybody stay safe, and thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it.